I woke up early again. The room was quiet and a little cold. I stayed in bed for a moment, but this time I was not tired. I sat up slowly and listened to the silence. There was no rush. There was no noise. For the first time, I felt ready to begin the day. I walked to the window and opened it gently. The air was cool. The light was soft. I looked out at the street. The city was waking up again. People walked quickly. Cars moved one after another. Everything looked the same, just like yesterday. But something felt different. I was not in a hurry. I just stood there, watching quietly. Then, I noticed something different. A woman stopped to help. An old man crossed the street. They moved slowly. No one rushed them. For a moment, the busy street became quiet. I watched them and felt something warm inside. It was a simple moment, but it stayed with me. I took a deep breath and smiled a little. I did not think about yesterday. I did not worry about tomorrow. I just stayed there and felt the moment. And for once, it was enough. Maybe life is still busy. Maybe nothing has really changed. But I see things differently now. And that changes everything. Sometimes, a quiet moment can change how we see the world. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and subscribe.